What does A say? What does B say? What does C say? What does D say? Noah, what does D say? What does E say? Noah, what does E say? Don't be silly. What does E say? E says eh, eh. What does F say? What does G say? What does H say? What does I say? Don't be silly. What does K say? What does L say? What does M say? What does N say? What does O say? What does P say? What does Q say? Qua? What does R say? No. That's Q. What does R say? What does S say? What does T say? No. What does T say? Good job. What does S say? No. What does S say? Noah, what does S say? Good job. What does T say? Yes. What does U say? What does U say? What does V say? What does W say? Good job. You went back to V though. What does W say? What does W say? Okay, W says wah. What does X say? Very close. What does Y say? Yeah. What does Z say? Don't be silly. This is the last one. What does Z say? Yes!